Hi, in this video, TRP 2012 Polytechnic examination question paper for solution for control system. So in control system, uh, 9 1 mark question and 5 2-mark question asked in 2012 TRP Polytechnic exam, totally 19 mark. So in this video, we are discuss about only 1 mark question. Question number 1. Board plot is used to analyze. So this is simple question. So used to analyze minimum phase network only. Not the one. Minimum phase network only. Second question. A positive feedback system has G of S equal to K1 by S plus P and H of S equal to K2S. The open loop transfer function is given. Transfer function is. So generally for positive feedback, this is the formula. G of S by 1 minus G of S H of S, and substitute G of S and H of S value here and simply take LCM and cancel the denominator. We get the answer K1 by S into 1 minus K1 K2 plus P. The correct answer for this one is option A. Third question. A unity feedback control system has an open loop transfer function G of S equal to 25 by S into S plus 8. Its damping ratio is, we need to find the damping ratio. So for that, first step is the characteristic equation is 1 plus G of S equal to 0. So 1 plus G of S value is equal to 0. While taking LCM, we get S squared plus 8s plus 25 is equal to 0. We know that general equation S squared plus 2 omega epsilon s omega n epsilon s plus omega n squared is equal to 0. From this we can compare these two equation. Omega n squared is equal to 25. So from that omega n is equal to 5. And equate the s coefficient. 2 omega n epsilon is equal to 8. And already we know the omega n value, substitute here. From that we can find the epsilon value is 0.8. A regulator can be classified as. So the answer for this one is transfer function of regulator is 1 divided by 1 plus S2 ST. Here number of pole at origin is 0. So the type of the regulator is type 0. The answer is option A. Question number 5. A unity feedback stable control system having G of S equal to K by S into S plus A is critically damped. Now if the gain is increased, the system will be option A over damped, B under damped, C critically damped, D undamped. We know the relation between epsilon and gain K. This is the relation. While increasing, so present state is critically damped. Again we are increasing the gain, means automatically damping ratio is decreases. Damping ratio is decreases means less than 1. It indicate underdamped. So answer for this question is underdamped system. Question number 6. Which of the following can be extended time varying system? So time varying system is applicable only for state variable model. So state space analysis is applicable for linear, non-linear and time varying system. So answer is option A. So next question. A system is described by x dot of t is equal to matrix given state matrix. So we need to find the eigenvalue. For finding eigenvalue, this is the characteristic equation. Si minus a is equal to 0. So this is A matrix. So we need to find Si minus a is equal to 0. So and simplify this equation. Finally we get S is equal to minus 1, minus 3 and minus 2. So the correct option is option D. Question number 8. The unity feedback system has G of S equal to 2 by S plus 1 the whole cube. The value of S for which the root locus intersect the imaginary axis will be. So options are given. The characteristic equation is 1 plus G of S. While simplifying this, we get S cube plus 3S squared plus 3S plus 3. So put s is equal to 0, then we get this equation, and equate the imaginary part is equal to 0 at intersect the imaginary axis. The imaginary part is equal to 0, so minus omega cube plus 3 omega is equal to 0. From that, omega cube is equal to 3 omega, omega squared is equal to 3, omega is equal to plus or minus root 3. This is only omega value, so s is equal to j omega, so plus or minus j root 2 3. So the correct option is option B, plus or minus j root 3. Another one method also there. So for that we need to, for plotting root locus, we need to increase the k value from minimum to infinity. For that we need to add k here. Instead of 2, we need to replace by 2k, and again we can write the characteristic equation. From the characteristic equation we can plot the RH array. From that RH array we can find the value of s for which root locus intersect the imaginary axis. So last question, the Bode plot of transfer function g of s equal to s is of. Options are given. For the corresponding function we need to find magnitude and slope. So in general already we know s is nothing but 0 at origin. We have the angle 90 and slope is 20 decibel by dk. S squared means 2 zeros at origin, angle 180 and slope 40 decibel by dk. So 1 by s means 1 pole at the origin, the slope is minus 90, sorry, angle is minus 90, slope is minus 20 decibel by dk. 1 by s squared means 2 pole at the origin, the angle is minus 180 and slope is minus 40 decibel by dk. From this above concept we can conclude the answer is for s, slope is plus 20 dp by dk and phase shift of plus 90 degree. Next video on TRB Polytechnic 2000 question paper, control system part B. Thank you.